Hey everybody, my name is Liddell Steiner and I'm here with Berge at Ferjulian's farm. And Berge got a tractor from us a couple years ago and checking it out here, spend some time with him talking. And he's a tinker. He has done a lot of neat things with the tractor, been able to kind of add some things here or there and change some things up. And it's really great to see how people can use the tractor in different ways. So Berge, do you want to tell me a little about some of the things that you've done with our tractor to make it work for your operation specifically?
Yeah, so the first thing I added was electric power steering to free up the steering a little bit. I thought mine came a bit tight from the factory. That's helped out a lot. It was a little bit of work, but worth it. And then the other major thing was the modification to the Gandy spreader that they sold me. It was oriented facing this way, so I flipped that around, welded up this little offset, and drops now in front of the machine. You can still see what you're doing. You can see the fertilizer coming out of the tubes as you're spreading. And then I did a bar with various adjustments to move the tubes depending on what I was fertilizing and if I wanted to hit the plant or next to the plant.
Under the belly, it's kind of a standard operation here, although I see you drilled an extra hole here. You added an extra hole so you could kind of keep things from hitting the frame, which is great. And then also under the belly, I noticed you had some other different types of units that you would put underneath, some other cultivation units from some other companies. You're able to mount those and get those all set in properly?
Yeah. A little bit tighter than I would have liked to see, but was able to fit what I wanted under there and get it to work, but still getting really good visibility in front of me. That was the main focus.
On the back, you've added some parallelograms here as well. Tell me more about what you've done here and why you like this setup.
Yeah, so you guys have a solid bar and you put a few tines on it. Well, my tire well is always lower than my bed, so I was having a hard time erasing the middle of my row and my tire marks. So the parallelogram works really well on setting lower, erasing the weeds and stuff behind my tire, where the fixed tine can sit in my bed and do a good job killing stuff there.
Anything else that you've been able to do with the tractor that's kind of maybe a little bit different or unique to you that comes to your mind?
No, not really. I added a cup holder. That's nice, but yeah.
There you go. All right, well, thanks, Berge, for walking me around the tractor a little bit and showing me some of the things that you've done with it. And I think that's kind of one of our goals, is just to make it kind of open in the sense that if there's other systems that are out there that you want to modify or add to the tractor, go for it. Doesn't have to just be Tilmor. And so make it work for your operation or for your system. So thanks again, Berge. Good to meet you and nice to be here on your farm.
Thanks, Liddell.